Have you ever watched those US TV shows about vouchers and couponing and thought, damn, it'd be really good if I could do that in the UK? Well, the good news is that couponing and vouchers are also a really big deal here. We're going to show you how to pick up the best vouchers and to organize your vouchers for the maximum savings. Let's go. Now, I know that we tend to associate vouchers and coupons with stuff that you used to cut out of your favorite magazines and TV guides and whatnot, but in fact, like many things in the world, it's actually mostly gone digital. And you can pick most of the vouchers and whatnot off your mobile phone or off your laptop. There are now quite a few apps that are actually solely dedicated to this activity of couponing. The first of these and our favorite is Shopmium. Our Shopmium is our favorite because it has the largest amount of massive brands and also has a really good selection, and also it pays cashback automatically as well. The best thing is on the app, it can actually tell you which exact supermarket the deal you're looking for is in nearby to you, and also which department in the supermarket that it's actually in. Plus, some of the deals that they have are some of the best available on the market, including a recent deal that got you some free Lindt chocolate. Now, not to be dramatic, but yes, please on this one. Now, of course, the app is definitely worth using before any big supermarket shop, so you can actually find out what you can get big savings and cashback on. Then after you've done your shop, all you do is keep your receipt and you scan it up to the app, and within a short frame, you should be getting your cashback. In fact, they promise to get it to you within the same day. Now, there's also a couple of other massive cashback sites such as Quidco and Topcashback, and these are really, really highly rated cashback apps for sure, and some of our favorites. However, Shopmium is a little bit less risky than the two of them because you don't actually have to rely on your cashback tracking and the possibility of it getting denied. So whilst we love both Quidco and Topcashback, this one is a better fit in our opinion for this reason. Now, you gotta hear us out here for doing a little bit of self-promotion, but why the heck not? The truth is that Hot UK Deals is one of the best platforms for also picking up vouchers and codes for pretty much every aspect of the market. Now, the best thing about Hot UK Deals is that you have both members and the on-site editors who are both adding tons and tons of deals every single day, and that of course includes voucher codes and coupons that you can use at supermarkets. Now, the site actually has a constantly updated voucher section, and this includes codes for both in-store and online shops as well. Either way, definitely make sure not to go for your supermarket shop even without taking a look at the voucher codes of our section first. Also, other fantastic voucher websites include myvouchercodes.co.uk, vouchercodes.co.uk, and the Metro discount codes section on the Metro website. Now, there are also web extensions that will actually do the coupon searching for you. One of the most popular for these is Honey. Honey is our favorite. All you have to do is visit a website which has voucher codes available, and the Honey app will actually light up orange. Now, all you have to do is click on the Honey browser extension, and it will give you a list of codes that are applicable for that website. Then all you have to do is copy and paste this voucher into the voucher code section on the website itself and see if it works. Plus, as well as that, there's also a standalone app for smartphones that will do pretty much the exact same thing. Now, another great website for this is Alerter, where all you have to do is type in the URL of the deal that you're wanting to pick up a voucher for, and they'll actually email you at a later date when the price actually drops. Now, some other great extensions or apps that can do pretty much the same thing are Coopert, Kudos, and Shopper.com. Though, as we said, it's mostly digital nowadays, there's also some fantastic ways that you can actually pick up some print coupons and vouchers in the most unlikely of places. For example of this, you can actually visit the Farm Foods website, and they often give out physical coupons and vouchers, including 10% off a shop. This is more back in the digital realm, but Sainsbury's also gives out way more vouchers and freebies in its little known freebies and competitions page. Links to absolutely all of these will of course be in the caption below the video, so make sure that you check those out. It also definitely pays to stay attentive to store magazines for Tesco, Morrison's, Asda, Waitrose, and all of these supermarkets and more, because they often contain tons of freebies and vouchers, including Tesco, who recently had £1.50 off Greek yogurts as an example. In addition to this, some products may also have vouchers on the actual packaging that they come in, and as well as that, make sure they also look out on store shelves, as they also might have vouchers and coupons next to the products themselves. Plus, keep an eye out on your receipts from shops, as these can also contain voucher codes that you can use at a later date, or maybe just points and whatnot for loyalty schemes and cards. National newspapers such as the Metro as well also have fantastic deals and vouchers off of supermarket shops, including one in the Metro newspaper recently that had £5 off of £20 spend over at Lidl. Now, anyone who's been shopping around dinner time will know the absolute treasure trove that is the yellow sticker reduced section. There's tons and tons of foods that have been heavily reduced as they approach their expiry date, and if you think that you can't actually eat them in time, then all you have to do is maybe chop them up, stick them in the freezer, and eat them later on. Just make sure that you also include an expiry date and write them on the box so you know that when they're actually going to go off. In fact, there's so many amazing savings to be made on yellow sticker discounts that we've actually already made a video on this, and you can of course click the link in the top right corner to give that a watch. It's definitely worth it. Now, it's also definitely worth mentioning that you can also save big bucks on your supermarket shop by utilizing supermarket loyalty schemes, which have made a massive comeback in recent years. As an example of these loyalty schemes, you can save a ton of money by using the Sainsbury's Smart Shop app, or simply by using the in-store scanners with a Nectar card. By utilizing these methods, you can grab grab up to 30% off products that you frequently purchase. In addition to that, you can keep checking on the Nectar app and you'll see tons of different vouchers that are available to spend at Sainsbury's and other businesses as well. Tesco shoppers as well can grab a big bucks back on their shop by utilizing a club card as well. This means that money that you spend in store is then turned into points, which can then be turned into vouchers. For example, £1.50 spent in Tesco is 150 vouchers. And if that wasn't good enough, you can then of course convert these points into money spent and vouchers off of their partners as well. When you converted your Tesco club card points into vouchers for other companies, it used to be 3 times the value, but it's now unfortunately only 2 times the value, but it's still a fantastic deal. Other fantastic reward schemes as well include the Lidl Plus app, whereby you can get tons of vouchers and discounts on both Lidl and its partners. These in the past have included fabulous deals on cinema tickets, days out, and loads more. It definitely is worth downloading them. Additionally, picking up a Boots magazine once per month at Boots will give you a ton of different vouchers and coupons that you can use in store, and it's also definitely worth loading points from your Boots app onto your Advantage card, because this can also bag you tons and tons of vouchers later on.